What's up everybody, this is Derek here and welcome to another product unboxing and initial impressions video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new SSD from Samsung. This is the 860 EVO and this is the 1TB version. There are also 250, 500, 1TB, 2TB, and I believe 4TB. But this is the newest version of the EVO drives. And this is a very interesting drive. It's the successor to the 850, which was very popular, the 850 EVO, which I have one. So I'm going to be doing some comparisons as we open it up and take a look at what's inside. I'm going to be doing some speed comparisons. I have an 850 EVO and an 840 EVO. So we will find out how those different generations of drives compare. So you can see here that we have an installation guide, and under that we have the drive itself. So first we'll take a look at the installation guide here. We'll see. And right away, this falls out. It says download Samsung Magician. So let's see if I can get that so that the light doesn't reflect on it. So Magician is the suite from Samsung that does firmware updates, erases, drive health checks. You can see all the different things here that it does, but basically this is something that you want if you have a Samsung solid state, because it tells you a lot of information that you can't otherwise learn or set unless you delve deep into some other program. So it's a really accessible way to get more out of your drive. We'll take a look here, the installation guide. The warranty is 5 years on these, which is pretty good because a lot of other manufacturers only have a 2 or 3 year warranty on their solid state drives. So say there's nothing all too crazy about this for laptops and stuff. It just just tells you how to install the drive. This is the SATA-III version. This is the 6 gigabit per second version, and these drives have honestly maxed out what SATA can do. This is great because I have a motherboard that isn't native NVMe or M.2 compatible, so for me this is fast enough, but for those of you who want to go that route, that's definitely a way where you can get even more performance out of these drives. So you can see here, it's the same, it's just like an aluminum, anodized aluminum chassis. It's the same as the 850 and the 840, honestly. And then we'll just swing it around the back quick. And you can see here, this is the 1TB version. VNAND is the type of storage, and it's the 860. So you can see you have your SATA connector here. No screws included, so if you're upgrading an existing drive, then know that you're going to need to reuse that mounting hardware. And if you're doing a new installation, you're going to need those screws. They usually come with the laptop or come with the motherboard if you're building a desktop. But that's just something to keep in mind because you're buying a bare drive and that's it. There's no, everybody has like a SATA power cable for now, these days. But there used to be a time when you had Molex connectors and you needed a Molex to SATA power converter. So something like that, that's obviously not included. Not really needed anymore, but just know that you're buying the drive and only the drive. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, stay tuned to this channel for some speed comparisons between the 850 EVO, the 860, and the 840, because I have all of them and they'll all be in the same system, so it can do some easy benchmarking between the drives. So be on the lookout for that, and consider subscribing if you enjoy this sort of content. I hope to see you in a new video soon.